This is ridiculous. I'm back at the abandoned candy factory. There's a new way in. Very easy way in. The other way in is over there. Shit. Hello? This is nuts. This is fucking nuts. Oh shit. It is all water. There's no way I can get. I'm gonna have to go through the old way. Hold up. Let's go in here. I got a spray can. I am a graffiti artist at the same time. But let's do this. Hello? I'm gonna pause it. Let's go right to the roof. Hello? I am here now. Let's fucking do this quick. Let's get to the stairway. I've been here so many times I don't even care anymore. Holy shit. I'm gonna pause it. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep going. I'm lost already. I'm already lost. Fuck. Whoa, somebody ran. This place is so fucking sketchy. There's the stairs. I got like pretty much an empty can. I wanna. Whoa, what is that? Alright. Look at this door. Yeah. I gotta cover my face. Oh. I got like a spray can. I'm gonna fucking bomb the shit out of the roof. That's my goal. Really get a good roof shot. Ow. Oh, it smells like skunk. It really smells like skunk on the second floor here. That clanking noise is my spray can. I'm gonna make my name known. That's actually a really good spot. Hold up. Shit, it's fucking dead. Fuck that. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys fucking hear that? This is a fucking like ritual upstairs. Yo. There's actually like a fucking ritual upstairs. There's a ritual upstairs. I heard that. Shit. Did you guys hear that? Like chanting. There was chanting upstairs. That's fucking creepy. Oh my god. There's a fucking chant upstairs. Like a ritual. My goal is to go upstairs. My can is dead. Fuck. Ow, there's something in my shoe. Sounded like it was from this floor. Hello? There was a fucking like ritual chant. Did you hear that? I think a lot of it was off camera. This is a third floor too. Hello? Were you doing a ritual? I heard a ritual up here. It's okay. You go on. I don't mean any harm. Fuck. Oh, shit. I don't mean any harm. I don't mean to interrupt your ritual. Oh my god. I heard that chant. Did you not hear that chant? I got some of it on video. Right after my last cut, you could hear that. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, God, I hate this fucking floor, man. The third floor. What is this? Oh, shit. I don't like this floor. There's a ritual going on somewhere in here, too. I don't like this. That's the elevator shaft. Holy shit. Hello. This place is so fucked up. I heard a fucking gut. Did you hear that chant? It was on this floor somewhere. Shit. What am I doing? Whoa, look at the tiles. Ow. Somebody had a beer. Whiteboard. I don't like this place at all. I love it, but I hate it. Hello? Hello? Oh, God. All the dark spots you see is like big open spaces. Oh, shit. That's where I went through in the winter. Jesus Christ. Fuck this floor. I don't like it, man. I'm gonna go upstairs. I do not like this floor. The third floor, I don't know, it's fucking weird. Did you not hear those chants? Like that satanic chant. That was fucking weird. Wow. This is the fourth floor. Hello? Holy shit. Ow. This place goes all over the goddamn place. Jeez. That's the room. Debbie, if you watch this, that's where the ghost was. In the one picture. Jesus Christ. Hello? Fuck, man. Hello? Alright, let's get right. Whoa. Alright. I'm fucking getting out. I'm going to the top floor. Fuck this. I've explored this place so many times. I get lost. Hello? Jeez. Alright. Getting the fuck out of here. I'm going to the roof. Hey, fuck. Fuck this place, man. Fuck this place. I'm going upstairs. This is the stairs that costed me on my last video when I was here in the winter. Ah, shit. I'm on... Whoa. This changed a lot. You guys remember this part from my other video? My last part? Oh, shit. I don't like it. I love this place, but I hate it. There's the roof. This place is fucking sketchy. Whoa. I would not want to go down that. London 2014. Huh. And it says London 18. London 18. That's fresh. Obviously, because it's 18. Shit. I gotta watch for these holes. Hello? So my camera is actually like almost dead. I brought another battery and it's dead already. So my light's not gonna work. I have to get out in the darkness. So let's try and save this shit. I'm gonna get up right up top. Hold up. So if you guys remember SARJIS video of this abandoned candy factory, you remember when he made it right to the top and it says washed the blood of the lamb. My phone is actually about to die. This actually sucks. This actually sucks. I just put a fresh battery in this and it's dead. But SARJIS video of the abandoned candy factory in London, Ontario. This is where he went. Holy shit. I'm right at the edge here. And you remember after you seen that face with that satanic graffiti. This is it, right over here. I know you can't see anything. Remember he said it was either drugs or sugar? Shit. I don't have a fucking flashlight right now. This is actually really bad. But yeah. This is the top part that I can get to. I'm gonna, ow. I have to go through here and you'll see the downtown buildings. Oh, hello? Oh, never mind. Fuck! Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Shit. I can't, shit. There's a ladder. There's a fucking cop. Shit. Ow. Fuck. Oh shit. I think I might be busted here. I think I might be caught. Shit. I gotta get down this ladder. Fuck. Shit. 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 Okay, on this turn. Oh, fuck. Shit. Oh, where the fuck is that ladder? Fuck. Shit. Shit. Oh, where's that ladder? Where's that ladder? Come on. Come on, ladder, please. Fuck, I've gotta go. That's creepy. Ow. Oh, there's a ladder. Oh yeah, so now that my light's on, I'll show you guys that. I don't know if you can see it, where Mo did a thumbnail of this place. But I gotta get down here. I'm gonna have to pause it. Hold up. I'll meet you down there. Okay, so I'm on the second part of the roof now. At this other spot. Look at this. I don't have any light. This sucks. Let's see how long this goes on. Shit. I'm gonna sit up here and that goes down far way. So I'm gonna chill here for a minute. Shit. That's a cop light. Okay, I'm gonna chill. Hold up.